Good afternoon, LC people. This LC came earlier on today from a guy in Longing, not far, only half hour away. He said it bogs down, it doesn't pick up. It was a German import, I think it was a German import anyway, that came into the UK. So you do the usual stuff, don't you? I looked at the plugs, this side was a bit richer than the other, a bit richer than I liked. Took the carbs off. This choke side, the air corrector was semi-blocked. So I put it all back together. The needle setting was, it's all standard stuff. Went for a blip and it was like what he told me. $4 grand, it was spluttering and it weren't very happy until it reached 6. And then it was better. So took it back out. It didn't really improve it. So I thought, okay, I'll drop the needles a notch. Just to like lean it just the tiniest bit. Because I think it was overfueling by the look of the plugs. Anyway, as I was doing that, I'm thinking, okay, let's look at the baffles or the exhausts. The one on the right-hand side has got the 0 stamped on it, and it is marked 4LO, so it is a 350 pipe. Unfortunately, the one on this side is a 4L2, no 0 stamp on it. So it's a restricted pipe, and it looks like it's a 250 pipe. So it's strangled on this side. I took it out anyway after drop the needles a notch, and it did pull a lot better. Before it struggled for probably 2 or 3 seconds or more. Now it's like probably a second and it pulls through it. So it is improved, but it is restricted on this pipe. He'll have to find another pipe. Neil Townsend's the guy. I'm sure he'll probably put his own post on later about it, but that's where we're at with it. It's very nice. I noticed the first thing was, that wheel don't look right, does it? So it's either an XS or an XJ. Some of you boffins will probably know, but it's certainly not the original LC wheel in it. Other than that, no, it's very nice. I'm having one come in on Wednesday with this colour scheme. I had one this colour scheme a few years ago. Richard Garside bought it. Can't tell you no more, but that's it. This is the new workshop. My mate sat there, bless him, giving me words of wisdom. And that's it. So you'll be seeing some posts from me going forward. All right, folks. Thanks for watching. Dilly dilly.